You know, as a chef, a lot of times your ego does things to you. We're so driven. You're doing it 16, 18 hours a day. And as life progressed, I felt that why am I trying to go in the same direction as everybody else when my entire life I bucked that trend? So the Hawaiians have this saying, "Na ike kumu," look to the source. What that means is that to understand where we're going, we need to know where we came from. Hula's the reason why I became a chef.
Welcome back to the hālau roots.
And there's a part of me that really believed I would just be a halal forever, you know?
Yeah. You guys take it with you, and that's that consistency that you guys put inside and take on your path.
Hula and cooking have all these parallels. Now I can see that a lot better. The way that we respect ingredients, the way that we look at our environment. You become hyper aware of your surroundings. As chefs, I think it's important for us to understand where our food comes from. Wow. It makes a connection. It becomes pili, to be interconnected or intertwined. The food is a byproduct. What's grown on the farm is a vessel. The food is a way to galvanize people. And it brings people together.
Sorry, I'm late.
No, it's okay.
You've been hearing lunchtime stories about you.
You definitely learn in halal, right, that the sum is greater than the parts. All of us come together to tell a greater story. My purpose in life is to be of service. This is our work. When I'm teaching my guys like old traditional dishes, especially when we work with Hawaiian ingredients, I tell them, you come with the best of intent. Woo, look at these carrots! Wow, you gotta see these carrots. There's no secret ingredients, secret techniques. I just cook local food, but it's local food done with intent. And I think that that's why a lot of people love it. Mahalo for manao. Thank you for coming out. What are you talking about? Give me your plate.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Every island has a story. If you listen, it'll speak to you.